Educate yourself every day. The power of daily learning. My friend, let me ask you something important. Have you ever wondered why some people grow faster, do more, and live better, while others stay stuck in the same place for years? The answer is not luck. The answer is not talent. The answer is simple. They learn every single day. Educating yourself every day is one of the most powerful habits you can build. It doesn't mean going back to school. It doesn't mean reading hundreds of books. It simply means feeding your mind, sharpening your skills, and becoming better than yesterday. I will share with you why daily self-education matters, how you can make it a habit, and the exact steps to make your life smarter, richer, and more powerful. Let's begin. Chapter 1. Learning never ends. From the day we are born until the day we die, we are students of life. Learning is not just for children. It is for every human being who wants to grow. Some people stop learning after college. Some stop learning after getting a job. They think, I've learned enough. But life is always changing. And if we stop learning, we fall behind. The truth is, every day you are either learning or you are decaying. Let me give you an example. Think of a smartphone. If it doesn't update its software, it starts running slow. Apps crash, the system gets old. The same happens to our brain. Without updates, without learning, we slow down. We miss out. Daily learning keeps you young, sharp, and ready for the future. Chapter 2. Why educating yourself changes everything. When you make daily learning a habit, something beautiful happens. Your confidence grows. You feel more ready for challenges. You speak better. You think clearly. You make better choices. Think about it. Most people live on autopilot. They go to work, come home, watch TV, scroll their phones, sleep, then repeat. Day after day. No learning, no progress. But when you choose to learn every day, even for just 15 minutes, you become different. You start to solve problems more easily, think more deeply, speak more clearly, lead others with wisdom. You become a person of value. People notice you. Opportunities open. That's the power of daily education. It makes you better at life. Chapter 3. What to learn. Choose wisely. Now you may ask, what should I learn every day? The answer depends on your goals. But here are some powerful areas to start. Money. Learn how to earn, save, invest, and grow it. Communication. Learn to speak and write with confidence. Health. Learn how your body works and how to take care of it. Mindset. Learn to control your thoughts and emotions. Your craft. Whatever you do, learn to do it better. Technology. Stay updated. The world is moving fast. You don't need to learn everything at once. Just pick one area that matters to you and go deep. Remember, it's not about knowing everything. It's about knowing the right things. Chapter 4. Make learning a daily habit. The secret to success is not learning one big thing once. It's learning small things every day. Here's how to build a daily learning habit. Read for 15 to 30 minutes daily. Choose books or articles that teach. Listen to podcasts or audiobooks during your commute. Watch educational videos instead of wasting time online. Write notes or journal what you've learned. Reflect before bed. What did I learn today? Start small. 15 minutes is enough, but do it every day. One day, you'll look back and realize how far you've come. Chapter 5. Learning in the digital age. You're lucky. We live in the best time in history to learn anything. You don't need a big library. You don't need to travel. Everything is in your pocket, your phone. There are apps, websites, videos, audiobooks, and courses. many of them free. Use your phone as a tool. Your time online should build you, not break you. Be a student of the internet, but be a smart one. Chapter 6. Learning from Failure. Your greatest teacher. Most people fear failure, but the truth is, failure is one of your best teachers. Think about how babies learn to walk. They fall, again and again, but they don't give up. They stand up, try again, and eventually, they walk. Adults forget that. We fail once and stop trying. But if you learn from your failures, they become fuel. They become experience. Every mistake teaches you something if you're willing to listen. Ask yourself, what went wrong? What can I do better next time? What lesson can I carry forward? Some of the most successful people in the world failed many times before they succeeded. They didn't quit. They learned. And then they won. So when you fail, don't waste it. Study your failure. Learn from it. Grow. Chapter 7. Surround yourself with learners. You become like the people you spend time with. So here's a powerful rule. Surround yourself with people who are growing. If your friends are lazy, negative, or stuck, they'll pull you down. But if your friends are learning, thinking, growing, they'll lift you up. You don't need perfect people. Just people who are trying. People who talk about ideas, not just gossip. So join a book club. Take a class. Join an online community. Watch inspiring videos. Listen to podcasts by people who think bigger. Even if you're alone, you can be surrounded by great minds through books and videos. Make learning your lifestyle and choose people who do the same. Chapter 8. Read, read, read. If there's one habit that can change your life, it's reading. Books are time machines. They let you learn from people who lived 100 years ago. They let you steal wisdom from the greatest minds in the world. Want to learn from Elon Musk, Bill Gates, Oprah? They all learned by reading. Start with just 1 page a day, then grow. Carry a book with you. Keep one by your bed, on your phone, in your bag. Read books about money psychology, leadership, health, communication, history. Your career. A book can give you a 10-year advantage if you read it with attention. Readers are leaders. Learners are earners. Chapter 9. Teach what you learn. Here's a powerful secret. The best way to understand something is to teach it. When you explain an idea to someone else, you learn it twice. So don't just keep your learning to yourself. Talk to a friend about what you read. Share a lesson on social media. Teach your kids or younger siblings. When you teach, you grow. And when you help others grow, you become truly valuable. Chapter 10. Become a lifelong student. The world is changing fast. If you stop learning, you start falling behind. But if you stay curious, if you keep learning, you'll always stay ahead. Make a decision. Never stop learning. Even when school ends, education doesn't. Learn from books. Learn from people. Learn from failure. Learn from success. Learn from life itself. Be curious like a child. Ask questions. Explore ideas. Stay open-minded. Stay hungry. Don't just learn to make money. Learn to understand life, to serve others, to grow your soul. Because at the end of the day, an educated mind is a powerful mind. A growing mind is a free mind. And a free mind can build a powerful life. You've just walked through 10 powerful lessons, not just words, but tools for your life. Now ask yourself, are you just going to close this video and go back to your routine? Or will you take one step today to educate yourself? It doesn't have to be big. Read 1 page of a good book. Watch one inspiring video, reflect on one thing you learned, take one action toward your dream. Every big change begins with a small choice. The truth is, nobody is coming to save you. No magic is coming from the outside. The power is in your hands. To grow, to learn, to rise, one lesson at a time. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. Learn something small every single day. And 1 year from now, you won't even recognize yourself. Your mind will be sharper. Your confidence will be stronger. Your future will look brighter. So promise yourself this. I will educate myself every day, not just for school, not just for money, but for the life I want to live. Because knowledge is not just power. It is freedom. And you deserve to be free. Stay hungry, stay humble, and keep learning.